Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. In this video, we will be learning how to invite friends on Monopoly Go. Playing Monopoly Go with friends is even more fun, so follow these simple steps to send invitation and play together. First of all, open up the Monopoly Go application on your mobile device. After you're inside the home page of Monopoly Go, go ahead and access the Friends menu, which is located at the bottom right corner. Now, in the Friends and Family tab, click on Invite at the bottom of the screen in green. Now, you can go ahead and directly send your friend code or your invitation code or invite your friends via the Facebook option. To invite your friends through Facebook, tap on the F Invite button at the bottom and then select a friend you'd like to invite by tapping on the Send button. Right after you do that, you will be able to send the invitation code to your Facebook friends. You can also share the invitation link via other social messaging apps. Tap the orange Invite button and then you can directly send the invitation via SMS app on your device or via email or even other messaging applications such as WhatsApp, Messenger, or any other social app. Simply go ahead and open up the platform and select the friend you want to invite and send the request. After choosing a contact, you will then be able to see the automated generated link to invite to Monopoly Go. Simply go ahead and tap on the send arrow button, and that way you will be able to send the invitation link to your friends. Enjoy competing, trading, and earning extra rewards together. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Monopoly Go tips. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.